In this video, I will show you how you can install missing DLC packs in Warzone 2.0. It's quite easy and straightforward, so let me show how. Of course, the first step what you need to do here is to load up your game, and once you're here, you should see similar window like I'm seeing here right now. And the next thing what you need to do here, you need to go to menu that is on the top right. I'm using PS5 controller, so I just need to press options button to get there, but if you're using PC or Xbox, it may be different. But nevertheless, you should end up on this menu, and then you need to go to little gear icon. So I just need to press R1 for a few times until I end up here, and then I need to scroll down until I see manage files. So you need to press on manage files, and here you can install your missing files, right? So you can, for example, install Call of Duty Modern Warfare. I just need to press square to full install or press X to manage files, and if I want to, I can just install multiplayer, campaign, or cooperative, right? So that's pretty much it what you need to do here if you want to get missing DLC packs in Warzone 2.0. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.